Hi, in this video, you will learn homes, rooms, and furniture vocabulary. Please like and subscribe before starting. Let's get started. Apartment block. Balcony. Attic. Upstairs. Stairs. Basement. Yard or garden. Downstairs. House. Door. Roof. Lawn. Window. Living room. Armchair. Couch or sofa. Television, TV. Bedroom. Wardrobe. Lamp. Bed. Dresser. Bedside table. Cushion. Rug. Light. Dining room. Table. Chair. Study. Bookcase. Desk. Bathroom. Shower. Towel. Toilet. Bathtub. Refrigerator, fridge. Freezer. Kitchen. Dishwasher. Cabinet. And trash can. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. I really appreciate your support. If you like this video, share it with your friends.